Good morning, students. Now, in this video, we will learn about complex tissue. Till now, we have completed simple permanent tissue, plant tissue, simple permanent tissue. Now, this is complex permanent tissue. The different types of tissues which we have discussed till now, they all are made up of one type of cells. Now, this complex tissue, these are the tissues which are made up of more than one type of cells. Simple permanent tissue, they all are made of one type of cells, and complex permanent tissue, they all are made up of more than one type of cells. And all these cells coordinate and perform a common function. Xylem and phloem are the examples of complex permanent tissue. Xylem and phloem, they both are the conducting tissues and they form a vascular bundle. Firstly, we will learn about the xylem tissue, then phloem. Now, come to the xylem tissue. Cells of xylem tissue are thick-walled, tubular and dead. This tissue has four types of cells. First, Xylem Tracheates, second, Xylem vessels, third, Xylem parenchyma and fourth, Xylem fiber. You can see in this picture different elements, different xylem elements. Xylem tracheates, xylem vessels, xylem parenchyma and xylem fibers. Tracheates, xylem tracheates are elongated tube-like cells. They enclose a large empty cavity. The cavities are empty because the cells are dead. Xylem vessels are long tubes or pipes and they help in the conduction of water and minerals from the root to the leaf. Xylem vessels are also dead cells. Then xylem parenchyma, it is made up of parenchymatous cells and it stores food and help in the sideways conduction of water. Then last one is xylem fiber. Xylem fibers helps in mechanical support. Xylem fibers provide mechanical support to the cells. This is about the xylem tissue. In xylem tissue, four types of cells are there: xylem tracheates, xylem vessels, xylem parenchyma and xylem fiber. Important thing is xylem tracheates, xylem vessels and xylem fiber. All these three cells are dead. Only xylem parenchyma is living cell. Three cells are dead and one is living. Next is phloem. And one more thing in xylem tissue, you know that the function of xylem is transportation of water and minerals from root to the whole part of plant, and these cells help in conducting water and minerals, in transporting water and minerals from roots to the whole part of plant. Now come to the phloem. Phloem tissues, they are also made up of four types of cells or elements. Names are sieve tubes, companion cells, phloem fibers and phloem parenchyma. Sieve tubes are tubular cells. They are a collection of thin-walled elongated cells. The walls between these cells have pores like a sieve, and those pores are called sieve plates. Food is transported through these tubes, these plates. Next, companion cells. Companion cells occur, they are attached with C tubes and they are connected to them through these pores. Companion cells decide the direction of food. Either the food goes in upward direction or in downward direction. Next is phloem parenchyma. Phloem parenchyma are the parenchymatous cells which helps in the storage of food. And last one, phloem fibers which provide support to all these cells. In phloem tissue, 3 cells are living and 1 is dead. Sieve, tube, companion cell and phloem parenchyma, they all are living cells and phloem fiber is dead. And phloem, the function of phloem, it transports the food from leaves to whole part of the plant. So in xylem, 3 cells are dead, 1 is living, and in phloem 3 cells are living and 1 is dead. This is about the parts of phloem and xylem, their structure and their function. Next is direction. You can see in this picture of xylem and phloem. In xylem, it is written one way only, means water and minerals. Xylem cells, xylem tissues, they transport water and minerals from roots to whole parts of the plant. One way transportation only, means they transfer from root to whole part. They don't return back. One way transportation. And in phloem, they transport foods from to whole parts in upward direction also, in downward direction also. So two-way movement. In xylem, one-way movement, and in phloem, two-way movement. Xylem transports water and minerals. Phloem transports organic molecules. Xylem has no end walls between cells, and phloem has end walls, that is sieve plates. Outer cells of xylem are not living and cells are living in phloem tissue. So this is about the direction of water and minerals and food, direction of xylem and phloem tissues. This is the structure of the elements of xylem and phloem. Go through this video, and if you have any doubt, you can clear your doubts. In next video, we will start animal tissues. Thank you.